this. Like, I want some Timmy's. Yeah, that's a good purse. This is Target, not Walmart.
My voice. No, I want to, yes.
I do want to say to the camera that being back here, my brain automatically goes in autopilot mode. Like, I'm just like naturally like, yeah, I know exactly where I'm going. Also, oh god, this smokes. Oh, driving in snow is terrible. Dynamic shots.
It does feel weird to be here because like it does kind of, I mean, it doesn't feel like home. It doesn't feel like this is where we live or
but
like where we've built our life, but it does feel like we're just like right back in it. We're like driving the same way, seeing the same people.
Yeah. It's like, oh yeah.
Going to the same Target.
I know.
Like it's weird. But like, I'm like, oh, like, I don't, we go to like theme parks for fun. That's like not a thing here.
Yeah.
And like not seeing palm trees is tripping me out.
And being this cold is tripping me out.
Yeah.
But it is very much like we are seeing, it is like, I don't know. It is, I think I know why people come back to visit home, because it's like, oh yeah, you get to see, you see stuff, it gives, you get that feeling, but then you like leave again.
But like even when you like visit home, like I know this isn't like a vacation obviously, but even when you visit home on vacation, it doesn't feel like a vacation because like so many people here, you gotta see them all.
Yeah, I know.
Like you don't travel to your hometown to relax on vacation.
Yeah, you really don't, because I feel like even now I'm like I gotta make sure I see the rest of my family too. I gotta like see my nieces and nephews, and like when we leave in like 2 days, really we got today, tomorrow, then we leave Monday. It's just not enough time. Snow like kind of melted, so it's not as bad. This road was terrible earlier. You know what I actually miss?
What?
Getting coffee from 7-Eleven.
Why?
I don't know. It's like
I used to drink their coffee a lot when I worked there.
I used to like do that before work. Go get their coffee. Even though I would make coffee at home, that was still.
I can't even remember a time when you didn't work for work.
I know. Yo, I am never going back. I gotta restart. I know. I used to like skirt through this intersection all the time.
Look at how deep that snow is. Damn.
Let's go. Can we get into the driveway? Also, shout out to anyone who's a longtime subscriber remembers how many things, how many cars were parked back here.
God.
Like legitimately. Remember how many times I would go underneath that little thing and then just floor it in the Challenger? Any of my old subscribers remember this driveway? How many vehicles and how much stuff was inside this driveway? All the work that went on inside that garage, how much stuff was over there, how we did so much stuff in this driveway, literally. All my OG subscribers should probably remember. And yeah, I know it's kind of strange that I'm back here right now. First thing I will say, it is absolutely freezing outside. I am not used to this at all. I'm not used to this cold. I'm not used to the snow. I'm not used to driving through this anymore at all. This is so foreign to me. Like, just look at this real quick. Do you see these snow mounds? Do you see this? So, what's up, guys? We're back here in Buffalo. We had to come back, take care of some business. So it's kind of like an unexpected trip back here. We had to come back and do some stuff. We're actually leaving out again tomorrow morning. It's Sunday. We're gonna be leaving Monday morning, and so it really wasn't like a long trip here. I wish it could have been a little bit longer, but we could only come for as long as we could. So it is very strange being back. It definitely feels like I don't know how to, I really don't know how to quite explain it. Very familiar being back, but also foreign. I know me and Angelia were talking about it yesterday. Just like it's almost like deja vu, like everything just picked back up. You're like, okay, cool. Like my brain goes back in autopilot. Like, okay, like I know where I'm going. You guys won't believe this. So I'm driving in my wife's parents' car, and yeah, literally the tire exploded yesterday. Got the tires changed out. The same tire did the exact, like the same brand of tire did the exact same thing. It just like shredded itself. Don't know why. It's very strange. Pulled over at this other station. Hopefully we can see. I don't know if we can change it, or obviously we're gonna have to try and change it. It's just a pain in the freaking. I'll show you guys real quick. I know, it's like literally we're just walking through. Maybe I can self-check something? Hang on.
No.
I know there's a train. I thought this inside Atlanta too.
You wanna walk?
Yeah, come on. Well, I was just saw people going fast. Okay. Traveling in the airport is always a fun time. We officially made it back, and I'm exhausted, absolutely exhausted. We gotta go try to find the car. I think I know where it is, but still gotta go find it. I'm absolutely exhausted. You can't even see me. Right now we gotta go pick up the dogs. We're gonna order some food. We're gonna relax for the rest of the night. It's been one heck of a day, one heck of a couple days.